Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind,
my life will learn until the war. When you're home, when you're mine, I say we're filled all the time. Like you, and I know wherever you will go, when you're mine, we're down low. I know if I could turn back time.
Jamaica, you alright? You alright?
The Dollar Tree are in there. Before I sent them. Like, I see, like aromatherapy. And they had the slime one.
You don't see me pick no one.
I wonder why they don't have it.
I wonder why.
Because it's a Scorpio.
I wonder why. They fling off everything, you know. Oh, they don't have me pick no one. Me and them
Then I
tired.
have the girl.
I think it's a
Gemini. Get mine.
I think it's a but Mama said
I saw me this. Coasters. You have coasters in here.
yeah, my baby father is same.
Gemini?
I think in Bali if you are 19,
Oh, May 19?
yeah.
Oh, no. June. Oh, okay. This is a friggin' you ever see coasters in that one over by Fui House? You ever see coasters?
No.
Go give me something.
Don't put it back in there, Ross. Let me go out there.
How come you want to? Where they? Sure. No, it's the house to look for.
No, they're right there, so sleep. I was showing yourself.
Gemini.
Gemini.
What's the girl doing? No, okay, can't put it in and can't find.
Me not put it far.
Sorry, there.
So why didn't say you drop out?
See Scorpio, yeah. Okay, see? I look for my one, I can't find me one. Girl. Oh, see it, yeah.
See you, yes. Scorpio, baby.
Yeah, I'm getting this one. I got candles. Look here, they have the biscuit too.
What that?
They smell good. Maybe for the house I buy them from Walmart, the free house. It smell good, them here. You always buy, I see like candle, we just lighty. Look, 6 cents, yeah. You always
I
buy
think
that.
this would, once I can go. That smell good.
Yeah, it's wax candle. Yeah, me have candle already. I'm not buying no more candle. Oh, the one I open. Let me see what it smells.
Smell good?
What flavor that?
You're not going to get this scent at it.
I got a wax. Until it burn. I think until it burn, yeah.
I'll get this scent at it.
Oh, the flowers. You know, this Dollar Tree is way better. Oh, see something in here? Oh, they have it. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. We need that. We need that. Let me have you for your closet. You have them for your closet? It smells good. Like, wait for your clothes smell fresh. You should buy it, but I'm not buying no more.
Where the train is?
Just hang up,
Or something? I just
no, hang up in the closet.
I feel like colder.
Eh? A powder. I said, why not to be open? I just said, must say, just hang up in the closet. It smells good.
I don't need that.
Sorry. Well, oh, welcome. The Wi-Fi password. Let me see this somewhere. The Wi-Fi password. That is so cool.
Are they able to get it? Right? Yes?
Yeah, it's
But
removable. Why looks so? No.
No, I just realized why look.
Why this one? Maybe this one better. Look. See your back one, look.
No, but fear one have more.
Yeah, my one, me have two. I think I two never got in one.
You know, remember, can you think you put it?
Oh yeah, some spicy, so spicy chicken.
Spicy
You can take one.
Some one beef.
Try, yeah, get on there. Try you want. You want to try to...
I want beef.
It's a good thing. Oh, that girl, yeah. Yo, sorry, yeah. Hold on. That one, that one, yeah.
Come take up your foot in the bread.
Oh, yeah, bread them. See, them tell us I have more bread. You put a pack of bread with it out. Put the bread them. I try, but I try bread with the oats. Funny. Me say me. I try the bread, yeah.
We need a hot dog bread.
I try the bread with the oats. What's your face? No comment.
No.
You don't want to cook hot dog bread.
Why them sitting like that?
Me have my own bread already. Me have the bread you give me already. So.
You still have it?
Yeah. I want it.
You're not going to want it. White bread.
Yeah, we don't have.
You have to say white bread.
I do bread. I thought, no, no, that's Italian bread. Maybe try it one day, but no. Look at my wheat bread now. My wheat bread. And look at bread.
It tastes nice and soft.
It feels soft, yeah.
It's soft and nice.
What it
Like,
do? All grain seeded. This Dollar Tree is way better. What is that?
you like the piece in the bread. The one with the... bread with the show you again.
What's it about?
Nice.
Raisin?
Yeah, cinnamon. Yeah.
I don't know that with raisin, man.
That tastes good.
No.
Okay.
Tell
me, Clyde.
I know.
Yeah.
I don't want that.
So it tastes nice. Yes. Like it tastes... One day make a buy it, I make a try it.
You know, as it
I not do like raisin in a bun. So I know.
I mean, that's right.
Yeah, what? It's not going to see.
Hit the road. I'm going to walk with you. All day like, wow, yeah, you're afraid.
What? No, don't do don't do that. Oh, girl, wait. Come here. Look here. What's on there?
I don't want to buy so much and then I don't eat it.
I see a
It's
price.
a party. When me have
And you have a burger bread too. Bomba.
Yeah,
I see a price though.
I mean,
I see a price.
yeah. But that's too much. Me alone.
I mean,
Me not going to eat a
Anyways.
coffee and milk here.
me have
yeah.
one left. Me have one left. That's true. I go buy one. I go buy one because
So them have a different brand.
no, I see a brand. That the one that's sweet one.
The sweet one?
And sweetened. I'm not always buy. And I have oatmeal. See a meal there? You're 2% no, they're 2% reduced milk. You going this?
Yeah, I'm not going to. Just throw it back at Jabari. Excuse me. You want honey, so get a honey.
Me buy honey already.
Oh,
You see me here? Fix some washing me already. So don't buy honey.
Sorry, Miss Annika.
Soya sauce.
Soya sauce. That's the thing where you did want to put on the rice.
Yeah. Oh yeah, true. I mean buy. I mean use brownie. Hello, me use me have. Well, me don't need it. Me don't need it. Oh, you ever try sweet hot? You ever try hot mustard? Me never try that.
Hot mustard, no.
Not like mustard to be honest.
I have one, but it would just spoil, right? Once they in the fridge, no?
Depends how long you have it. Everything I try to date in the girl, so I don't know.
No, not for me. Not for me.
I feel me, not for you. Yeah. Talk peace.
When I think it's
They have
spoiled,
special sauce in the. Look on this.
if you do me buy one, don't let me
Yeah, you know, so for you want to have in a can and then have in a bottle.
I don't need.
Like. Yeah, we're gonna make something there.
Auntie, come now.
Stop it, girl.
Come now.
We're not allowed. We're not allowed. We're not allowed. So stop.
Auntie, come now.
Don't worry, go get them out of here. Yeah, I don't know.
Let's go, Annika.
Cinnamon sugar. I mean, I don't need none. Me need salt. Me need salt. It's about olive oil, fine. I got the big one from Walmart, so I'm good. The one that lasts. Look how big this Dollar Tree is. We in Queens, by the way, by Jamaica Avenue. salt. Yeah, more stuff than for one. Yeah, I need the salt. Okay, ma. Oh, yeah. The rice in the bag here, where man used to cook. That's the rice there, ma. Money, move. Yeah, Barry. And this time pico juice tastes good, but I don't know about to buy no cranberry. Oh, yeah, people. Oh, you know what? I'm about to try this. Look at people drinking their water. I'm about to open this shit. Hold on. Me thirsty. Nothing. I'm thirsty.
Me gonna let you. You know someone try to make taco one day?
Wanna try this?
What that?
Oysters, not cat.
What the fuck is that again?
Oysters.
No, I don't want that. That like I want front.
What? Yo. No, me don't want it. What?
That like one front.
Oh, yeah. Go on. I thought, oh, girl.
Animal front.
So you're going to be crackers. Girls, that's something like our fun. No, I saw they show you, Panny. That me no want. I don't care about tacos. Yeah, me know. So make it no. Get the things. Get your. I don't really like your hard shell. For some reason, I like it if I like this one. Look,
Yeah,
it's soft shell. I like, but
yeah, we can use that too.
no. You want to make taco? All right. Oh, and then look. Girl, look. See taco season there. It look nice. Yeah, I got taco mix. This is nice. Just, yo, this tastes good. No, there's not what. There's also a drinking. This is on TikTok. Girl, come and try this. Pork and vegetable, chicken and vegetable. Korean dumpling.
Wow.
Dumpling. Come try that. You must try it. I mean, they're not really bad.
Ice cream then. I can't come up with this.
Yeah.
No, ma'am.
Just come from the Dollar Tree. 2 full bag. And so, yo, we got so much money in the Dollar Tree.
A 30, a 6
Oh, for the food. Oh, $6 for your paper and other stuff.
Yeah, but like
The stuff. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But it's nice though.
But everything comes to 30 something dollars.
That's $22. Doesn't them take about $22. Gosh. You want me to need one food stamp? Because oh yeah, we have a light. Alright. Where you go now? Oh, you gonna pay your bill. You pay your bill?
Yeah, oh shit, I remember about that.
Oh, walk past it.
I know I eat back that party, but I would have warm me.
Okay, I hate the cold. Put him over there.
Come up on this side.
Walk in the middle. Lord God, it's cold, not lie. Oh yeah, because the sun over there, so see? We just want some good food to eat. Listen. Yeah, we're gonna go up there.
Oh, that's so nice on the light.
Me too. Put them on fried chicken, but I don't know.
One jerk. Papa, you can put it in your pocket. Okay.
And they have Aldi over there, so. We're going to Aldi Gateway. Right, no, we can't go Aldi Gateway, Mary.
I love the car, you want party where the red chicks over there.
Ross, what? That?
Yeah.
Girl. Girl, that girl, well, she have your body for you. I'm showing her shut up.
Beach party or something. That one
But the red one they look nice.
Oh, that red and nice one, okay?
It does look
That's the
nice.
one I'm picking up.
Oh, ain't that bad enough? Yeah, what's that, $900? That's not bad enough?
No, 800.
$8.99.
Yeah,
It's nice.
900. Oh, look how much we it was 16, 1,600.
1,700.
Yes, that's the same.
That's not bad. That's one good sale. What you want?
Nice glass.
Yeah, we Five Below open and
That
found
umbrella,
Jamaica Avenue. For real?
look cheap.
I look cheap. Somebody want to party all look at me figure say people don't only accept cash. Couldn't bother going to your bank, yeah, man. I'm going to buy food when we sell it from one food truck. Or we see. Or we not come. Yeah, hopefully truck. Hey. You have Jamaica flag all over it, you better taste good. That's what I'm saying. So we go. Sorry. Dollar Tree a biggie? I mean, no Dollar Tree. That's not a biggie.
We still can do it, Chris. New Year's, if you're getting for New Year's.
Sure. I know Kimani, you know, can't even fix it. I don't know because he embarrassed me last time. I like.
We were.
Me and him that do some money fix it before me. Zelta. Look on the people them, look on the dresses them. I mean I'm going there yet you know, but no me know if I come for one dress on my birthday.
Can I show them on Instagram?
One nice. Oh they have Instagram?
Yeah, go on the other side. Look on the other side.
No, the front part look.
Then change
Nice.
that.
We're going to the Primark. First time going to the Primark. And they look big too, you see, man? Oi. Thanks. Oh, look at nobody. No, Charlie. They're not, oh gosh. They're not big. Wait there. Hold on, girl. We need some. I did not. We need some putting on the bag. Hold on there. So, this is what I mean. This is one of them. They have swells. That's the price. They got the bottoms over there. But I think I'm gonna get this one. I wanted the green, but it said New Jersey on there, and I don't want that. So let me see what it is in off. Red, I don't want a red. Red or blood color. I'm not in no gang, so I don't want a red. Oh, let me get that. Oh yes. What's she there? Anissa. I think I'm gonna get these two. Yeah, I'm gonna get these two. Yellow. Yep, this is it. This is it. I don't have black though. I don't have black. Damn, I don't have black. Yeah. The black one is plain. I don't think the black one have anything on there. This is crew necks. It's not even the one with the hoodie. I can two of them. Oh. But I look for one black one, but the black one I just a crew neck one, and I like one hoodie. Like this. Okay. It's too plain. Yeah, I always wear dark color. Trying something different. Alright. I like to get a jacket for Kimani. Jewelry. They got a Jollibee out here. And they have Shake Shack. I'm not going to go out there, man. I love that phone. It's Shake Shack, right? Me only do one time.
Eat it twice.
One time, they're expensive, sure. I love that phone. Yeah. I'm going good out there. I'm not going good out there. But we're going to the store to get some food. Some food. We don't want no junk food on the Sunday. We don't want one party. Food look good though, not lie. Whoa, what choke. What food choke? You have to taste good.
Then take cash up, girl.
I mean, yeah, me on the cash up, me have Zell. Me
That'd be
have,
good if we take Zell.
right, me on the cash up. What in there? We press, yeah? What is? Eh? See, me for the girl.
I'm not for the men, the mess with a person.
Oh. Yeah, you know on your phone. You're not work, say. You're not work. Food tastes good. It smells good though, it smells good. Alright, I'm saying more. Reasonable price too.
But this I think no, just buy really.
I don't know curry chicken.
Your jerk chicken spicy?
You gotta get some curry, some brown stew or something for you. But I ain't gonna eat this one. I'm not gonna eat. One jerk chicken, Alright, so we can get jerk chicken with rice and peas. You come vegetable on the side? Alright.
Buy jerk chicken. Oh, I forgot to buy one next piece of meat then.
So let me say, get some like brown stew or something for you. Yeah, let me say brown stew. I don't want brown stew. I'm gonna go on a town here, truck look. I'm like this many people there. This nice. I'm a roommate. Instagram, right? Where else? Oh, see Instagram. Yeah, you do it every day? Tuesday? Okay. So you want to take cash up? Oh, is it okay? Me as well. So I'm not a cash up. You see, I make you a free promo. Eh? Where do you come from? Kingston? Oh, okay. From Canada, from Linstead. Okay. Okay, yeah. Some jerk chicken.
I want jerk chicken with rice and peas.
Yo, I cannot. Yo, this girl. You're looking back into that boy. You're gonna lose another car again.
You don't want no gloves? No? No, it's baby. Come dance with mommy.
No, let me dance.
Dance with your mommy.
He said, don't want to dance.
Go on with the business. That's they're not getting no food.
They are eating food when they was food tastes good, no? Not lie. And you give enough free money to $12 for this. Tastes good. So the bread is what I bought at Dollar Tree yesterday in Queens. I'm a little sealed. I like that. But I got oats on there, so hopefully it tastes good. This whole wheat, 100%. 45 calories. You can't go wrong with this. And I'm gonna have some lemon water, hot lemon water. So today is what? December 18, no, 19. Yeah, so. So the rest of the chicken I had yesterday, I'm gonna make this for lunch. I'm not buying no lunch. I refuse to do that. I'm gonna make some for lunch. I showed you this last night. So, After work, I'm going over there to see the I'm gonna go show you right now. So this is the thing. I'm taking pictures.
I think the people in it is a great representation of reality.
Everybody outside. Looking pretty. Inside of it. Got this one. Waiting for the bus. Just got off of one bus, waiting on another bus. Out here cold, but it's not that. It's not that cold like everybody thought it was gonna be. Because the sun is out. The sun is out, so it's not that cold. But we just unprepared. I wish I did forget my scarf. But I'm going to Church Avenue to see what I'm going. I need some things. Yeah. So far, I'm leaving. I go all the way to Church Avenue. Why? Let me find my gloves. Hold on. Not that bad. Not bad. See, sun is out. Oh, $1 van. Me have my card. Dollar cab. Well, I'm waiting for the bus. Me have an unlimited match card. I'm going to use it up. The bus, the man. I'm hungry, you know. I'm have this morning our hot chocolate and piece of bread. Piece of wheat bread. That's what I eat this morning. See that? I'll about 3 o'clock now. Let me see what time. Hey, me cussing up. Yo, why the bus will come, right? The bus will come. I take out the stuff out of my pocket also I don't here. Take out some of that pocket out of my pocket, take out the metal card, and my money fly away. Fly away. Oh yeah, me have to begin go. Hold on. Let me open something. Like I was saying. Yeah, so I'm taking out my card, my metal card, and my money fly away, and the bus end up leaving me because I was rushing. I was looking for my money. So I was like, listen, I'm not leave my $1. Do you want $1? One of them on the floor and one of them fly away. So I'm not keep $1. And I take it up. It's 9. And then soon as I saw my head was full up. So it was like a minute. It wasn't that long. A couple seconds. You pull off.
This stop is Church Avenue and East 96th Street.
Well, I'm almost done. You can't do nothing now. I'm hungry though. I want to eat. I'm hungry bad. 3 o'clock right now. I'm starving. So I'm coming to a restaurant where I eat all food from before. Some curry chicken and rice and peas, and this barbie fry and rice and peas with raw vegetable. I'm gonna get 2 fried dumplings. I'm eat hungry bad, man. I'm gonna get 1 green tea. And he's still out there jerk, what's that? Still out there jerk, said we. Ooh, cool. I'm gonna go in business. I'm gonna be out there, man. Jesus. Belly full, thank you, Jesus. I'm really hungry. I think I want for me dinner. But out here, please. I'm not going to chicken for you. I'm not going to eat. Alright, oh, for us is 79. Yeah? I'm gonna get me 1. Hold on.
Alright. I want to get avocado tomorrow with my dinner. So I'm gonna buy 2.79 cents. I'm gonna get 2. But I'll open one. Sure. What kind of chicken in here? I mean, what they do? They're not hard. No, I'll fry one. I can eat tomorrow. I don't wanna laugh for Christmas. Everything's one thing I need. Don't wanna laugh for Christmas.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like bitch say bad, let's keep it a beam. Know they be not, I be on the scene.
Oh, that's cool. Look at them. Look at the fan. Look at have the ballers in the back. And they're out there. The zoomers and the scrutineers. What? I'm looking for nutmeg bread, but they don't have it. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's just kind of bread. Oh, they don't have the. Look at that cocoa bread. I didn't know they sold it separate. I did not know this. Never did know. That's not bad, right? Oh, outside of going back door now, right? It's like I'm gonna come in here to keep warm and go back out. Hold on. There's a bulla. I don't want no bulla though. I want the bread. I don't have the bread that I want. I get two of this. Two single ones. Sorrel.
Let me get some carrots. With the bag of carrots.
What's $5.49?
It's cash, right?
I do a market with $6, $5.99. Something about something about.
Oh, now week store, because you know warm. I just say I want a short week. I want a short week. A short, nice week. You know it? I'm gonna just be looking. Hello. You have any short wig?
Oh, short.
Like 8 inch, 10 inch.
So this is the short we have.
Yeah, let me see. Over there? I'm with it. Let's see. You might get it fast. It is fast. But I'm about to cash out and go home. Because I don't need to be out here any longer. I don't know what time right now. I don't know what time it is. Okay. Chicken sandwich and banana. That's all I think. And I'm gonna go on the bus to the train and stop and go home. Let's see how you taste it. Long time I eat it.
What did you say about it?
Eh?
What did you say about it?
Curry chicken.
Curry chicken and what?
That's not piece. I mean, I don't want Barbie fried chicken, but it ain't just, you know, tastes so good.
So, you say you eat tofu. That tofu you buy?
Yes, girl.
Oh my gosh. You say you're greedy now, you say that about?
It's now you want no, me want a couple hours ago to write it on. I mean, so I want that.
You greedy, no girl?
$3 from double.
$3 for that?
Yes, but they not about it. I mean, 2 fried dumplings for $1.
Look, I want something.
Me hungry.
Me hungry too.
I'm 2 fried dumplings in one time. With the other food.
Maybe leave, yeah. Fried dumpling and what?
The rice and peas on the barbecue.
Go do that.
I'm not getting no white rice. I'm not. Look at this fish. No, what? How many show them what me I do? One side. Shucks.
More than that.
I am making sorrel for the first time. Yeah. Hopefully come out nice.
But me not me a teacher.
Oh, when I put no sweetener in there.
Huh?
I'm not put no sweetener. I'm not put no sugar in there.
Give me mine.
Yeah, you can have, yeah, fear off, yeah. But mine, no. I should know more water. It's not going to shoot it all.
Can I put more water there first?
Okay, make sure it's smelly. I mean, smelly.
Yeah, look, please smell.
Eat it there. Honey color. Very. I'm making some jerk pork on my air fryer. See how it come out. First time I'm doing jerk pork in there, so let's see. I'll put it on. I'll put it on 400. You hear that? Why am I watching over my video I just posted last night and I noticed that sis, you ain't got no plates on that bar thing. Like the when I was laying down exercising, I'm just now noticed I gotta pay attention more. Like seriously, that's embarrassing. Like how the hell I didn't notice I didn't have no plate on the freaking thing? What the fuck? Make it make sense. Oh God, bro. You see when you still new to the gym, girl. Get it together. I'm gonna get it right though. I still can't believe I forgot. Yo, I'm mad at myself right now because how I didn't notice there's no plate on the friggin' thing. Because usually I just go there and do the squats, and the chair was there already, so I just went there, lay down, and didn't notice that the shit was not on it until just now. Girl, even when I'm editing the video, I didn't even notice. Like, girl, you could have left that clip out. Oh my God, that's sad. That's sad. I don't like that for myself. I'm still new to the gym, y'all. Like, I'm so scared to work out in front of people. Like, I'm gonna get it together though. Oh, child.